Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix texture pack not working in Minecraft. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up your browser and then you just need to write texture pack Minecraft, and probably it will be the first link, resourcepack.net, and you need to open up this website here and then select the texture pack. So for example, let's say it will be Better Dogs. And what you need to do here, you need to scroll down and then you just need to download a Java edition or other versions if you want. So for example, I will download this one, then save it to your desktop or whatever you like. And once you save that, then you should get basically zipped file here. So what you need to do here next is to create new folder here. Then you need to give the name, for example, Better Dogs. Like the texture pack, and then what you need to do here is to extract the files to basically to the folder on your desktop here, right? And once you do that, we need to wait for a few seconds, and after that I will show you the next step what you need to do here. So that's almost done, and after that on this folder you should see all the files that from the extracted files. And then what you need to do here is to press Windows Anarchy, or simply on search you just need to write run, and then on this little bar here you need to write %, update a %, press OK, and on this new window you need to press on .minecraft, and then you need to look for resource packs. And first what you need to do here is try to not extract a zipped version of the file here, and then you need to look if it's working for you or not, and if it's not working then you need to just put the folder that you extracted here, and then it should work, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.